When I say raisin sponge cake, the difference, it's not really the sponge cake, but the name is raisin sponge cake. Come, we'll get together and prepare and see how it is, because you have to taste and see. Then only you will know how it is done. Sugar, I'm using 75 grams here. But normally it has to be 125 grams, right? Butter we put about 50 grams, 50 to 60 grams we can put here. But I have used here 30 grams. I have to explain that also. 30 grams only I have put, but it has to be, if I am putting 125 grams sugar, 60 grams of butter. Oil we need 1 tablespoon for the full quantity. 1 dessert spoon for the half quantity, like. Remember that also. This also you mix it nicely. To beat this, start beating it first. I am using 1 egg. Full quantity 2 eggs. Full quantity will be 2 eggs. Once it gets creamed well, you can see how it is. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to add the flour. 150 or 60 grams of flour we take. Milk powder 1 dessert spoon. Here 1 teaspoon I have put. Baking powder should be 1 teaspoon. Here I have put half a teaspoon. And powdered milk we have to use 2 teaspoons. I have used only 1 teaspoon. Right. All this we have put now. Now what we are going to do is mix it well. Now I am going to use cashew nuts. 60 grams cashew nuts. Sultanas 30 grams, raisins 60 grams. Candied peel 30 grams. Cherries I need only a little. All that put and mix it nicely. Now this is ready. I have buttered a tray. Small tray. 6 by 9, otherwise 9 by 12. I have done half the quantity I told you, and now I am going to bake this. Baking time will be 25 to 30 minutes. Even if it's a little more, 5 minutes more, it doesn't matter. You bake and take it. Once everything is over, I will tell you. Cream I have to make now. So we will make the cream. The cake is ready. So now you can see how it is. It's not the normal type of cake. It's a little like a pastry like, right? So it's a little on the hard side and a little thin also, you can see. Now what we are going to do for this, we will see now. Okay, we'll put this aside, and I made a little bigger quantity, so I have put the balance into this cupcake trays. So that also we will see how we are going to make. 1 dessert spoon cheese cream, and I am using 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix all 3 together. Now little by little add the icing sugar and cream it well. This is the icing sugar, 200 grams. To the cake, I didn't put vanilla essence. Now into the cream, I am using a little vanilla essence. Now what we are going to do is use the cream. Spread the cream nicely. I just made the balance. Altogether I made the full quantity. So I put 6. You would have been wondering what I am going to do with the cherries. Actually the cherries are to put it on top of. Just wanted to do this. This is not really wanted to do and show you. But the balance was there. So I thought I'll just do it and show. It's the main thing. And then you have to see how this is served. Actually to serve this, it's like this, as fingers. Can you see? Served as fingers like. It's nice pastry to serve as fingers. You can serve it like biscuits, like a cake. If you want, you can cut into squares, you can cut into small rectangle pieces and serve it on tea time. Like next episode, I'll come back with another blasting episode. So till then, bye from me now.